Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So guys, if you are someone who wants to speak English language for quite so long time but you are facing lots of problem while speaking, so don't worry. I will tell you the some essential things if you will follow, so then definitely you can learn something from this video. Just you have to watch this video till the end without break or any pause. So let's get into the topic without wasting your time. I am going to tell grammar is important or not. Why I am going to tell that grammar is important or not? Because many people ask this type of question, they can learn English language without grammar or not. But I would say that grammar is something which is root of any language, because you know that we are not from any other country where English is using and where English is mandatory, because we are living in India. So we have our other prior language. You can say Hindi, you can say Telugu, you can say Marathi. There is a lot of, and there is a different kind of language. So I'm not going to say, and I'm not telling that grammar, without grammar you can speak or not, but I would say that you can speak English without grammar. But if you will live in that kind of atmosphere where English is using, you can learn there. But you are living any other place where atmosphere is not that kind of, and you are living in village and there is not that kind of atmosphere, so you cannot speak without grammar. Because I have told you already that grammar is essential part of any language. You can say in Hindi and you can say in English, because in Hindi there is also grammar. Why grammar? Because grammar is something we learn how the sentence are constructing and how the sentence will be correct, and is this good, because meaning will be also there. So there is a lots of, so you know that I'm not saying that grammar we have to read more and we have to study more, but a little bit to speak English language, a little bit grammar is very important. And I would say that how we can change our thought in English. Because why we are not speaking English language, do you ever realize? Because we are not thinking in English. Why? When we try to speak English language, that time we don't change our thought in English from the our mother language. That's why we are facing lots of problem while speaking. So you don't have to do anything, you just speak. Because you know that we write English, we read English, and we understand English. But when we try to speak English language, that time we make lot of mistake, we fumble, and we don't even think in English, and we don't know how the words will come in mind. And why you are not speaking? Because you are good in English and you can read, you can study, and you can understand as well, but you are not speaking. So why you are not speaking? Because you haven't start speaking. This is the main problem. Because I'm also the person, I'm also someone who was struggling, but nowadays I would say that 50% changing has come, because I continuously speaking. That's why. And I know that after coming some days, my English, my fluency will be really improved. So friends, I would say one thing, that you don't have to do anything. You just make video and assure yourself that you are continuously making. Because making video is something which can improve your English, and you don't even have to focus anywhere where you waste your time. So you just focus on reading, on writing, on speaking. And after reading and writing, you have to speak, you have to make video at least 1 minute, and you can judge yourself by making video. Because when you will make video, that time you will know that where you are making mistake and how you are feeling. Because when I was started and even I am making video, so I am fearing something. But you know that when you will start, that time you will fear how to speak and how to face the camera. So that is main problem. So don't worry, because this problem will be no longer, because when you will start that time, that this problem will be, but when you continuously speak, then this problem will be removed. That's why I am saying that you have to practice, and you don't even have to think about the grammar. If you know the grammar, then this is good. If you don't know, so you just study something about grammar and know about the tense, because you know that tense is something which is very important. If we know the tense, so we can make the good sentence while speaking, and we know that what is present, what is past, what is future. So that's why I am saying that tenses are grammar. Tense is part of grammar, so there is no different to. So you have to know a little bit about grammar. This is my, this is my point of view. I don't want to say anything, but you have to just follow this tip. So friends, if you like this video, so definitely you can comment and you can share this video, because I am someone who wants to speak English language and I am fumbling too. And you know that in starting we face lots of problem, so I am facing too. And while speaking we make fumble, so don't worry, this is common problem while speaking. So friends, hello, bye, goodbye, and see you later in the next video.